So guys, this particular website have made me some money recently, you understand, and I decided to share it. You get? So as we all know that casino have made a lot of people money these days. Casino have made people a lot of money. At least I can testify, and few other people that I know that they have made millions from there. I know them, you understand. But the thing is that we don't know the strategy we to use or not to use, you understand. That's why I urge you to watch this video to the very end, so that I'll show you the particular game that I played that is making me this money. As you can see, I have on my screen is $138, which I withdrawn recently. So let's dive into the video. It is the first time of coming across my channel. Let me do well and introduce my name. My name is Nkiruka. You can also call me Coach Nikki. What we do here is all about how to make money online, both free and paid ones, you understand. So if you know that you want to make money online and ready to take the risk on how to make money online, do well to click the subscribe button and like my video, share, and comment below. And to all my old subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for liking, for commenting, and for sharing. I am most grateful human being here. Thank you very much. And also, if you want to join my community, both Telegram or WhatsApp, please do well to click the link on the description box area or on the comment section, you get, so that you'll be first to get any information, any making money information I have, you understand. So let's dive into the video right away. So all you have to do to get to this platform is to click the link on the description box area or on the comment section. If you click it, it will bring you here, you understand. So all you have to do is to input your username, your password, and also enter what's it called, invitation code that you're going to see on the screen, you understand. So once you are done, all you have to do is to click on this register here. So I have registered already. Let me log into my website. Let me log into my account. So guys, this is my own login interface. As you can see, I have $30.98 here. So how to deposit on this platform is just to click on this deposit down here. If you click on it, if it is USDT TRC20 you want to use to deposit, click it, put the amount you want to deposit. As you can see on the screen right now, if you deposit $10, they will give you $1 bonus. If you deposit 30, they will give you $3 bonus. As you can see, minimum deposit here is $10. You understand? The higher you deposit, the higher your bonus is. You understand? So all you have to do, if it is $20 you want to deposit, or $100, let's say $100. You understand? Just know that if you deposit $100, they are going to give you extra 10. If you deposit $100, they are going to give you extra $10 as a bonus. Then you click the next step. As you can see, once you click it, it will bring the wallet address you use and can make payment. Once you have made the payment, you click next step. Once you click the next step, you click confirm. You understand? The money will automatically come to your your wallet. After depositing, all you have to do is to click on this lottery, because that's what is making me money right away. You can play other games, but this particular one is making me money. All you have to do is to click on this lottery here. Once you click on it, you click on this all here. You can see, you click on this all here. Once you click on it, you click on this JQ here. Then once you click on it, you click on this window 3. I hope you are understanding what I meant. So once you click on it, let's play the game. So the signal group that you will be using to make this money will be down below the comment section. You understand? So that, because I'm using the website signal group to make this my money, you understand. Let's just say, okay, this one is remaining 8 minutes. Please, when doing it, look for window 3. You can see here, click on window 3, on window 1, sorry. Click on window 1, because you cannot use what they are doing on window 3 for window 1. So we are making use of window 1. Let me click it. It's loading. So let's go to the signal group. So this is the signal group, you understand. This is the signal group. Okay, they give us signals more. I'm going to bet $1 there. Oh, it's closed already. Okay, 11336. They gave us another one now. It's big. I'm going to play $1. Let's scroll up. You see big, small, odd, and odd and even number. Then once you click this big, you see where they wrote to and then they click on it. Put the amount you want to bet and bet now. Then let's wait for the result. We are waiting for the result. Okay, they have closed. Let's wait for the result. Confirm. Okay. Let's check the signal group. Is a win. We won. You see, we won this one. I use only $1 and make 98 cents. You understand? We won again. This is most sweetest game that you are going to, ever encounter. It's sweet. Hey, you understand? So it's not that a quick what's it called? A rich quick investment or some sort of. This is very sweet. So some point you will lose, some point you will not. You understand? But the sweetest part of this platform is that if you lose up to 7 times, they will compensate you. You understand? So when you are playing, we are making use of this big odd. We are making use of this big odd. As you can see, we are making use of it. And make sure when playing that is in wingo 1. Make sure that is on this wingo 1. Don't make mistake of using wingo 3 minutes or wingo 5 minutes for wingo 1. No, let wingo 1 minutes be wingo 1 minute. You understand? So that's practically how to use this platform. And also, so this is basically how to make this money. You understand? So make sure you click the link on the comment section or this to get to this platform. This platform is really paying. As you can see, I have 30, I inputted $30 on this particular. This is my second account. I inputted $30, but now I have already make $1.96. If I continue like this before the end of the day, I would have make at least $10 for myself, and it's very good. If you calculate how much dollar is in Nigeria now, you that is outside country, you can also do it. Any part of the world, you can make use of it. You understand? So you calculate your currency and $10 now to know how much you will be making in a day. If it is Nigeria is 15 times 10. Just calculate making 15,000 naira every day. 15,000 naira every day. Even most of the times you make higher than that. 15,000 naira every day. So all you have to do is to join their Telegram signal group where they will be dropping signals. You understand? So all you have to do is once they drop signal, play it. You can use $1. You can use the amount they put there. But me, I use $1 because I don't want to take the risks. You understand? And also disclaimer: this is not a financial advice. This is what I do to make my own money online. In case of anything happens, I will not be held responsible for it. And also, input what you can afford to lose. You understand? Though there are chances that you will not lose anything on this platform, but input what you can afford to lose. Oh yeah, see you in my next video. Thank you.